Hello everyone, it's Sir Jem, and for this video, let's continue to discuss the tools which is focused on how to repair specific pixels on your photo. So, let's do it. So, let's try to open another photo. Okay, open. So I have here, let's try to select another model. Which is this one. Or okay, this one. So as you can see, ito. The first tool na introduce ko sa inyo is the spot healing brush tool. Now, this tool removes marks and blemishes. So, itong tool na to, we have different options here. We can customize the size of the, or we can adjust the size of the brush, because to ang nangyayari is, okay, we have a shortcut key to adjust the size, which is itong open bracket ay close bracket for to make it bigger, the size of the brush, or mas maliit siya, ito, this one, itong open bracket. So, ito. So, ang nangyayari, pag na-click mo na yung part na i-enhance mo, automatic na maghahanap siya ng other part sa image na hindi damage. So, para ma-repair yung pixels na yon. Ito. So, as you can see, na-improve niya. Or, natanggal niya yung mga blemishes, pimples, or marks. Like, for example, ito. And then, ito. Now, next tool is the healing brush tool. Itong healing brush tool repairs imperfections using pixels from another part of the image. So you can change the size, or the hardness must be 0, the spacing, the angle, or the shape of the roundness of the brush. So, ang nangyayari, balik muna tayo sa original niya na photo, which is ito. So, marami siyang pimples and blemishes. Zoom in muna natin. Now, you can select part sa image na hindi siya damage. Itong healing brush tool, just click first Alt to select areas na pwede nating i-copy. So, Alt, then i-click natin sa areas na ito, para mag-heal yung, or ma-remove yung pimples, mag-heal yung pixels niya. So, ang kaibahan niya sa tool na ginamit natin kanina, which is spot healing tool, automatic na mag-copy yung ng pixels ito naman, ikaw yung mag-set, click Alt, kung saan banda ng image yung i-enhance mo. Or, i-fix mo na pixels. Alt, then ito. Zoom out natin. So, nawala na yung pimples niya. Or, ito na part. Alt, then, i-brush natin sa areas na tatanggalin natin. So, natanggal na yung dirt at saka unnecessary na nasa mukha niya or unnecessary marks. So, yan yung tool na pwede natin maggamit to fix the skin of your model. Next, another tool is the patch tool. So, balik tayo sa original image. Click natin. Now, itong patch tool, you can select the source and then i-drag natin sa areas na walang pimples or hindi damaged na pixels. I-draw, like mag-draw ka lang ng areas, i-select mo yung areas and then drag. Select areas and drag. Select areas, then i-drag mo sa destination niya. Okay? Yun. So, it's up to you kung anong tool na gagamitin mo as long as ma-remove yung mga unnecessary dirt sa mukha or blemishes. Then, yun. You can also, we have also the content aware tool. Now, this content aware tool, like if you want to select this one and then i-drag natin sa ibang part, enter, then ma-move na yung part niya. So, ito yung ginagamit if you want a photo na masyadong disturbing na photo, ito yung ginagamit. And also, itong patch tool or clone stamp, like for example, if you want to duplicate ito, i-click mo lang, click Alt, then yan. So, magagamit mo yan pag create ka ng disturbing photos or graphic design or creative graphic design or creative photo, yon, pwede mo siyang gamitin. Another tool para ma-enhance yung skin is yung blur tool. Actually, it has different purpose kasi yung blur tool, like for example, ito na part, para mas ma-focus yung mata, pwede mong gamitan ng blur tool yung ito na part para mas ma-blur siya. Then, sharpen tool, like itong part na mata niya, gusto mo mas sharp siya, then pwede mo siyang i-brush. Kung yung part ng mata niya na medyo blurry, then you can apply this tool, the sharpen tool, para mas maging sharp yung photo. And then, we have also here the smudge tool. Itong smudge tool is if you want to distort the shape. Kaso, ang nangyayari, medyo blurry siya. So, ginagamit din ito pag create ka ng creative images or disturbing images. And also, we have dodge and a dodge tool, burn tool, and sponge tool. Now, itong dodge tool allows you to para mas maging light yung image. So, lighten areas in the image. So, mas ma-adjust yung light niya. Actually, you can change the intensity of the amount of light na ma-apply niya dito sa exposure. The more na mas mataas yung exposure, then the intensity of the light na ma-apply mo is mas mataas. So, ang ginagawa ko is i-lessen natin yung exposure para hindi bigla ang ma-applyan ng light yung color. Like ito. Okay. Yung mas maiging gawin, pag mag-apply ka ng dodge and burn, ang ginagawa ko is mag-create ako ng layer. You can create a new layer by dito, i-click mo lang to, create a new layer, or meron po yung shortcut key. The shortcut key is Control Shift N para makakreate ka ng another layer. Now, delete muna natin. So, we already have a layer dito na walang vacant layer. So, wala siya nakalagay. Ang gagawin natin, using the elliptical marquee tool, i-click lang natin to, and then, zoom out muna natin. Control A. So, Control A para ma-select yung entire image natin. And then, balik tayo sa marquee tool and then right-click. Click natin tong fill and then select sa content natin 50% gray, then okay. And then change this into soft light. Saan ba yung soft light dito? Okay, ito, soft light. Then deselect, Control D to deselect. And then, mag-a-apply na tayo, zoom in natin. Pwede na tayong mag-apply ng dodge tool. Now, ang way na to, this is, meron kasi tayong dalawang ways sa pag-edit ng photo, which is destructive and non-destructive. Yung kanina na ginawa ko, that yun yung destructive way to enhance a photo. Meaning, na-change na niya yung original form niya. But this time, yung changes is nasa layer na to. So, yung original photo natin is hindi siya na-disturb or hindi siya nasira. So, yan yung dalawang way sa pag-edit ng photo. Destructive and non-destructive. Now, applyan natin ng lights. So, the tool is the dodge tool. So, pag gusto mong i-adjust yung changes, ito. Or ito. Now, you can also use the burn tool. Now, para ma-dark yung areas, or if you want to have darker na kilay, then na-dark siya. Pero if too much, then you can Control Z or you can apply dodge tool para bawiin yung kulay na masyadong nagpa-dark sa kanya. Or you can just simply delete the layer. Then, babalik siya sa original. Now, another tool is the sponge tool. Now, itong sponge tool, ito, ang nangyayari, magiging saturated yung color ng skin. Then, pwede mo ring ma-set sa option na desaturate. Meaning, medyo mag-gray or mawawala yung kulay ng image. So, that's it. The sponge tool. Next. Okay, I think yun lang yung tools para ma-manipulate yung specific pixels ng photo or to repair skin. So, yun. Next, for the next video, I will introduce to you the tools to add objects and text. So, okay. For the next video, I will introduce to you tools that can add other elements for your document like shapes, text, and any other form. So, see you for the next video tutorial.